Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your account on Fidelity Investments. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fidelity.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fidelity Investment website. Now click on the login button at the top section, which will take you into the login portal. Now in order to change your password, click on forgot username or password option and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your first and your last name followed by your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. You can also use your tax ID number by clicking on have a tax ID. Finally, click on the continue button and you will be told to check your inbox to provide the authentication code in order to reset your password. So check your email address or your phone number within which you will receive the authentication code or link. And once you use this code or link, you will be able to change your password. Just type in your desired new password and proceed forward, and your password will be changed for your Fidelity Investment account right away. And now you can use your original username along with your newly set password in order to log into your account on Fidelity Investments. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Fidelity Investments. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.